Well, hello viewers. So today we went out and flew with the Spark and didn't record. So now we're going to try and do it again. See if you can see the difference in the footage. So I'm going to go straight to the Spark. Go to camera. Get rid of settings. And we're going to press record. I did do that before. No, it definitely should be recorded. We're going to take off. Face me. Let's see how we go. So we're going to take off. That's the Spark flying, as you can see. And that's the footage. So now we're going to try and fly the other one. You can see a difference in the footage as well. Not that windy. So there we go. So, how do they look? In comparison, they're both making lots of noise. Well, I'll tell you why that's doing that. It's because it's following me, isn't it? Which one looks best, if any? So this is the DJI NEO, and that's the Spark. Very noisy. Right, we'll try and land. We'll land the NEO. This is easy. Watch. That's how easy that is. Can you do hand land with a Spark? It's making lots of noise. No, I'm supposed to go away. Right. We'll land the Spark on the floor. It's not coming forward because I'm in its way. Landing. And then that will land. But yeah, that was probably the worst picture I've ever made. That was hard work. That's the Spark versus the NEO. Which one looks best?